Hello and welcome to Untold Story Things. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the fascinating history of the Rothschild, Soros, and Rockefeller families and how they built their empires from scratch. Make sure to watch until the end to see what is happening in the present. The Rothschild Family. The Rothschild family is a well-known and influential family with a long history in banking and finance. The family's founder, Mayer Amschel Rothschild, was born in Frankfurt, Germany in 1744. He began his career as a banker in the 1760s and quickly built a network of financial connections that would lay the foundation for the Rothschild family's success. Mayer Amschel Rothschild was a savvy businessman and had a keen understanding of the financial markets. He worked hard to build his reputation as a trusted and reliable banker, and this reputation helped him to attract wealthy clients and make profitable investments. He also recognized the importance of networking and cultivated relationships with other influential figures in the financial world. In addition to his work as a banker, Mayer Amschel Rothschild was also a philanthropist. He was known for his charitable efforts and used his wealth to support a variety of causes, including education and healthcare. This sense of social responsibility would become a hallmark of the Rothschild family and would continue to be passed down through the generations. During the Napoleonic Wars, the Rothschild family was able to capitalize on the financial opportunities presented by the conflict. The wars disrupted traditional financial systems and created new opportunities for those who were able to navigate the changing landscape. The Rothschild family used their connections and expertise to make lucrative investments and build their wealth and influence. The family's success during this period marked a turning point in their history. They became one of the most powerful and influential families in Europe and began to expand their empire beyond just banking and finance. Over the following decades, the Rothschild family continued to grow and diversify their empire. They expanded into a variety of areas, including mining, real estate, and philanthropy. The Rothschild family's wealth and influence continued to grow over the years, and they became known for their philanthropic efforts as well as their business ventures. The family has made significant contributions to a wide range of causes, including education, healthcare, and the arts. They were also instrumental in the development of infrastructure projects, such as the construction of railroads, which helped to fuel the Industrial Revolution. In the modern era, the Rothschild family's legacy and influence continue to be felt around the world. The family is still involved in a variety of business ventures, and they are known for their philanthropic efforts. They have also been involved in various charitable initiatives, such as disaster relief efforts and environmental conservation projects. George Soros. George Soros is a well-known and influential figure in the world of finance and philanthropy. Born in Hungary in 1930, Soros survived the Nazi occupation of his country during World War II and later immigrated to the United States to attend college. He began his career in finance, working at various investment banks before eventually starting his own hedge fund, the Quantum Fund. The Quantum Fund was instrumental in Soros' success. It was able to generate impressive returns and helped Soros to build his wealth and influence. In the early 1990s, Soros made a bet against the British pound that earned him the nickname "the man who broke the Bank of England." This bet solidified his reputation as a savvy and successful investor. In addition to his work in finance, Soros is also known for his philanthropic efforts. He has supported a wide range of causes and organizations over the years, including education, healthcare, and environmental conservation. Soros is also politically active and has been involved in various political campaigns and advocacy efforts. So there you have it, the story of George Soros and how he built his empire through his work in finance and his involvement in philanthropy and political activism. It's a fantastic tale of hard work, determination, and business savvy. And it serves as a reminder of the power of entrepreneurship and the importance of using your resources to make a difference in the world. The Rockefeller Family. The Rockefeller family is a well-known and influential family with a long history in business and philanthropy. The family's empire was founded by John D. Rockefeller, who was born in New York in 1839. Rockefeller began his career in business at a young age and quickly built a network of financial connections that would lay the foundation for his success. One of Rockefeller's most successful ventures was the Standard Oil Company, which he founded in 1870. The company quickly rose to dominance in the oil industry and helped to build Rockefeller's wealth and influence. In the following years, the Rockefeller empire diversified into other areas, such as banking, real estate, and philanthropy. The Rockefeller family is also known for their philanthropic efforts. They have made significant contributions to a wide range of causes, including education, healthcare, and the arts. The family's charitable work has had a significant impact on communities around the world. In the modern era, the Rockefeller Empire's legacy and influence continues to be felt around the world. The family is still involved in a variety of business ventures and is known for their philanthropic efforts. So, there you have it, the story of the Rockefeller Empire and the family's ongoing legacy and influence. It is a fascinating tale of hard work, determination, and business savvy, and it serves as a reminder of the power of entrepreneurship and the importance of using your resources to make a difference in the world. Maybe now you understand who decides what you learn at school and why John D. Rockefeller's quote is, "I don't want a nation of thinkers, I want a nation of workers." Thank you for watching, and be sure to share your thoughts on the three families in the comments below.